does not depend on others nor on material things. It is only a matter of attitude to achieve our happiness. To achieve it, it is advisable to follow some guidelines, adopt attitudes in our life, and put them into practice. In this video, we give you 11 tips on how to be happy so that your life change radically and you are happy. Guidelines and how to be happy. Below the list 11 tips that will help you achieve happiness, attitudes, habits and lifestyles that will make you appreciate more the little things and know how to face problems. Number 1, acceptance. One of the most important steps to know how to be happy is to love yourself and remember how important you are, how much you are worth, how much smart and capable. There are no obstacles that you cannot overcome. Number 2, zero envy. You should not envy anyone for what they have or what they are. They reach their goal, achieve yours, and you will know how to be happy. Number 3, without rancor. How being happy includes not holding a grudge against anyone. That feeling does not let you be happy or live your life freely. You forgive and forget in order to achieve serenity. Number 4, with a smile. Always get up with a smile, look around and discover in all things the good and beautiful side. Positive people always attract good energy and little by little you will know how to be happy. Number 5, help others. Without thinking that you will receive nothing in return, look at people and discover in them their qualities and also give them the secret to being successful, and that in this way they know how happy. Number 6, movements. Happiness is not in the years, months, weeks or even days. It can only be found in moments. Life always has the right to surprise us, so learn to live in the present without the trauma of the past or the accept of the future. Homer. The smile is very important to improve self-esteem. Taking things calmly no matter how bad they seem are just moments, and it is best to remember them with humor and as experience to know how to be happy. Number 8, forgiveness. As long as you have resentments and hatred, it will be impossible to be happy. The wonderful thing about forgiveness is not that it frees the other from their eventual guilt, but that it frees you from suffering, and thus you will begin to know how to be happy. Number 9, faith. Since being happy means having faith, faith creates confidence, gives us peace of mind, and frees and soul from its doubts, worries, and anxiety and fear. They say that man becomes wise when he learns to laugh at himself. Laugh merrily, and the world will laugh with you. Number 10, the attitude. Happiness is a choice that I can make anytime, anywhere. Thoughts are what make we feel happy or unhappy, not my circumstances. This is how you learn how to be happy with an attitude positive. Number 11, with what you have. Being happy and not wanting others, you have to learn to live with what you have and not what you lack. Will help us that our happiness is always on our side. Now you know these tips to achieve that long-awaited happiness. Remember that people with positive energy will always attract positive things to your life. Smile and let everything flow. Thanks for watching.